Hi there, if you love scrapbooking, I have a new scrapbooking idea that will allow you to scrapbook pretty much anywhere, whether it's at home, on a trip, even at work. This is by far the chicest and simplest way to catalog everything that you've done over the course of the year. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christine, and I love to scrapbook, creative journal, and make cards. If you like content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click the notifications bell so you won't miss any of my projects. So here it is, let me show you what I've done. So today I want to share with you one of my all-time favorite scrapbook albums. This is not your conventional scrapbook 12 by 12 layout album. I truly enjoy doing little mini albums that have a consistency, a style, a feeling throughout the whole album. I liked the idea to go with, in this case, an actual journal, more specifically a day timer. So I hope you enjoy it. What I wanted to do was create something where I could use several stamps and stencils and just use them throughout the layout, and then just pick 1 to 3 colors. In this case, I think I used 3 colors: black, gold, gray, and pink, so 4 colors. And all I did throughout the year was take photos and catalog those photos in this album using the HP Sprocket. And then I used 2 or 3 stencils and about 5 to 10 different stamps that I used throughout the album to create this unified, cohesive effect. You'll also see some inserts. This one I found is fabulous. This one was from Kate Spade's stationery collection, and I use that here. So if you don't have a Sprocket, I mean, there's several different systems out there, but I like the HP Sprocket. This is an inkless printer. The great thing about it is you can add text and pictures and whatever you'd like to the photo. And it's quite small, so you can take that anywhere you want. The reason why I chose this kind of very small, cohesive, monochromatic look is that it allowed me to put it off to the side of my desk or craft table. And there were very few materials that would take up a lot of room. So I could work on this on a regular basis without making such a huge mess. But more importantly, I found that when I would travel, this was easy to take with me. And I will show you exactly how much I packed in order to take this with me when we went to San Diego, Disneyland, off to the mountains. It took minimal effort to pack any of this stuff. So I used a lot of vintage stamps here. Most of them were from New York. Honestly, I wish I could tell you what companies you could purchase these from, but a lot of the stamps don't even have the supplier on them. And see, on a month-to-month basis, I just cataloged whatever thoughts or feelings, anything I've learned from books that I've read, and I've placed it, all the information with pictures in this day timer. If you're gonna do something like this, I always recommend having like a journal stamp, just to add that interest to the album. Also pick up some of these text stamps. They're just great for filling up the space. As you can see here, you can add the text right onto the HP Sprocket and really change it to any color that you want. I also used some washi tape as well. These are from a system, and it does not come to mind. I'll figure it out. But it's these inserts that you can place into the 12 by 12 albums, and then you place your 4 by 6 pictures beside them. I thought I'd use them as inserts in this journal. And here are a few more. And if you can get your hands on dated stamps, they're always great to have. I use them all the time in any of my scrapbooking and journaling. Sometimes I'd like to put quotes or thoughts or things that I've learned and place them in the album, but I want it to to be the same colors as the color scheme. So what I would do is I would say 12 most beautiful questions ever asked in pink, and I'd Google that, and shockingly, that will come up. There's another one for her that I did as well. Like here, for example, this one right here. This is a great stamp here. If you can get your hands on this one, I love that one. And I always love stencils. Stencils are great for that background effect. Again, another printout. This here was a stencil. Again, love the sprocket and what you can do with it. There it is. I hope you enjoyed the journey of my little mini album in a daytimer. Try it, I think you'd enjoy it, and it would just give you that flexibility of being able to craft wherever you are. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Take care. Bye.